papunta kaming city ngayon.
Mummy's favourite. This one?
No, I don't like that one. You like it?
Maybe I'm sorry about it. You don't. You don't need to bring that one. No.
Na-press ko na.
Wait. We're not going. We're going B2. That's all right.
I can be two and I can there too. And I can be two now. And go be two now.
Yeah.
I can see that. How it's super loud.
You go away in a minute. Don't worry. Okay, so.
Oh my door.
Oh, can you get a... Yeah, when we go back.
Follow the road for 3 kilometers.
There.
It's in the jungle and the dinosaurs. The dinosaurs. Cool. And you go trail, yeah, and then you can start like it. I don't know the name of like
Kangaroo.
look like it's like the closer is like a wee one. Like the wee one, that name.
What is it? The crocodile?
Wow.
What is it?
Like honeybird.
A bird?
Honeybird.
Honey bird?
Yeah, that's the kind of line.
Oh, really?
This one again. Oh, another one to work.
Yeah, maybe. Because that's the entrance, yeah? Yeah, that's the entrance. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Palagi nang maganda yung weather dito. Pero ang ganda eh. Mainit. Kahanap din kami ng parkingan. Oh, this way. It's wet, yeah? Careful.
Not sure what happened. Ground, I'm assuming.
Yeah. Hi. Dito na kami. Sana meron sila. Ayun, meron. Ni. Meron sila. Oh, wow. Ito yung gusto kong bilhin, oh. Ito. Kuha ako ng... Ilan kunin ko? Dalawa? Dalawa siguro.
Good for loading up, yeah?
Yeah.
A little cattle, not very good, not just for loading.
Yeah. You okay? Okay. Medyo mainit ngayon. JB Hi. Punta kami sa JB Hi-Fi.
And are there more exercise here?
Pardon?
Can I get home more exercise? Can I get home more exercise?
Yeah. Yeah.
Little 40.
Dito na kami. I think there's more. In here. But you want small, yeah?
Something portable, like they got a camera here.
Huh?
They got a camera here. Just something a bit smaller.
Smaller.
Like a carry a full size keyboard. Quite large.
Yeah.
Quite a lot smaller. Nice. Even something that can fold.
Sarap na kinain ko kaninang sushi. Sarap ng lasa.
Mommy, I'm here.
Baby,
I can see you.
I can see you too.
I can see you, mommy. You look
Lakad-lakad lang muna kami dito. Pa?
happy there.
Yeah, you too, ah.
I look happy here. Oh my God, it's cold.
Okay, Mark din.
Was
sa Kmart.
And they can see me?
I can see you.
Yeah, they can see me. You're not can see my face. You can see me now. You can see me. If you don't
Makanta yung bata. Oh.
Twinkle, twinkle, dead, dead, dead. Mommy, I don't want to doctor.
Okay.
Is it Bluetooth or is it?
So grand.
Na kami doon.
I would like to that.
Bumili uli ako nito.
So let's really quickly finish with Vanessa on 13-24-10.
Buksan ko mamaya pagka-uwi namin doon. Iba naman yung binili ko yung parang maliit siya. Yan Ano kaya yung laman niya, no? Nakaka-excite. Mamaya, buksan namin to ni Kaylin. Si Kaylin uli yung pabuksan ko na ito. Dito na kami sa Ronald McDonald.
What's that thing with the dome?
Bibi!
That's the tumble one.
Bibi! Buksan natin to, Bibi! Bibi ko! Come here! Buksan namin to ni Kaylin. Come here! Dali. Ah! Dito. Dito ka. Pakita mo dito. Bibi. Show mo.
This will have to-
Buksan ni Kaden. Oh, anong gusto mo dito? Sino? Piliin mo. Sino yung gusto mo dyan?
And look. May
Ay, saan dyan? Ayan? Hindi, pili ka dito.
And the mystery.
Mystery? Mystery na to eh. Ito daw, piliin mo daw dito. Saan dyan yung gusto mo?
Fire.
Fire. Ito daw yung gusto niya si Anger.
Anger.
Ito daw yung gusto ni Kaden. Yan. Open mo na dali. Sige lang.
This one?
Sige. Ganito mo muna. Ito to. Ah, pull mo to. Yan. And then, open it.
Open it.
Sige. Sige.
What is it?
Ay, parang yung tama yung hula mo, Bibi ah. Parang tama yung hula mo ah. Nakikita ko na eh, kasi tignan mo kulay blue oh. Tignan natin, dali, open natin. Parang tama ah. Dali, Bibi, ito na oh. Oh, close your eyes. Ito na ba ito? Bibi, parang tama nga. Hala, tama. Hindi, tama yung hula mo, Yusuf. Sabi mo, ito gusto mo. Tama yung hula mo.
No, I want the fire.
Ay, yung fire pala. O nga pala, mali pala. Mali pala yung ko. Kala ko yung blue yung gusto mo. Fire pala yung Ito pala yung gusto niya. Kala ko yung blue, baby eh. Ang cute. Pakita natin dali.
What is the water? It's not fire.
Ang cute. Wala eh. Hindi pala fire eh. Nakalimutan ko. Akala ko yung gusto niya kulay blue. Sa isip ko. Fire pala yung gusto niya. Ang cute niya.
Fire?
Ang bigat naman niya.
Huh?
It's heavy. No? Tapos may, sadness. Si sadness yan. Ang cute. Oh, may ganito pa siya. Uy, kinain na. Nawala sa isip ko. Akala ko yung gusto ni Kaden yung blue. Yung anger pala yung gusto niya.
Anger, yes.
Yes.
Angry.
Angry. Ang cute niya, oh. Kita niya, oh. Ang cute, no? Tapos may paganito siya, oh. Ang cute. Nakalimutan ko. Kala ko yung gusto ni Kaden ito, oh. Ito pala yung niya. Yung gusto ko ito sana, oh. Itong pink. O kaya itong pangalan nito. Social phobia. Blue yung nakuha natin. Cute naman. Lahat naman sila ma-cute. Medyo mabigat lang siya, no? Ilagay ko to. Ang cute. Ang cute naman ito. Kabit natin. Ganun lang yun si Kaden. Ang cute. Ilagay ko sa ko. Sa isok bag ko. Dami na. Ito yung talagang gusto ko. Yan. Yan. Ito siguro dito. Ang bigat niya. Siguro dito. O kaya sa isa kong bag ko ilagay itong isa. Pero dito ko muna siya ilagay. Kasi yung bag ko nandoon sa Yan. Yan. Cute. Tapos, ito yung ito. Yung collagen ko na glow shake. Bumili ako ng ng strawberry milkshake. Yung strawberry flavor. Tapos, ito yung favorite ko. Bumili kami ng dalawa. Tapos, bumili rin pala kami ng toothpick niya. Lagay ko muna dito. Siya, yung binili natin kahapon, siya lang mag-iinom nun. Kasi ayoko yung lasa eh. Mas gusto ko yung lasa nito. Yung banana milkshake. Bukas may appointment sa Kaden. Umaga kami may gising kasi yung appointment niya bukas 6
You're not
o'clock.
cute anymore.
Kailangan namin gumising ng maaga.
You're not
Cute anymore.
You're not cute.
Kailangan namin gumising ng maaga. Siguro mga 5 o'clock kami may gising bukas. Kasi maaga yung appointment niya. Ang busy ng road ah. Anong oras na ba? Kasi anong tawag doon? Yung sunduan, kaya pala busy eh. Katapos lang namin kumain ng dinner. Kainin ko tong yung binili kong lychee kahapon. Sabi na busog ako. Busog ako. Kainin ko to. Lychee.
I'm not good.
Ano nalagay ko? Sorry.
That's not good.
Ha? Try ko tong yung strawberry milkshake. Ito namin nagay ko.
Anyway. It doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work.
Sarap siguro to strawberry.
Mix. We have water.
Mama, put juice, mommy. Mommy, I'm not put juice.
We don't have
We
apple.
just have water. You want water?
Masarap din siya. Pero mas gusto ko banana
Okay,
talaga
have
ang lasa.
another cookie.
Pero masarap din siya.
I have my stuff now.
Sarap din. Pero mas masarap yung banana. Masarap din naman siya. Pero para sa akin, mas masarap yung banana. Pero masarap din siya.
My stuff.